Introducing the Green Line equipment from Scandinavian Nordic Center. We have the T47E pipeburster, and we have the bigger sister, T87E. The small unit caters for the utility industry, where we range from 50 millimeters up to 250 millimeters, where the bigger unit goes from 75 millimeters up to 400 millimeters. For both systems, they can both be hooked up to public city grid. As an option, they can also be hooked up to a battery bank. The battery bank solution allows you to work independent from anything. You have your machine and you have your battery bank, which you can move around with the equipment. For both machines, you have zero emission and super low dB rating, less than 65. This allows you to work with this system within highly sensitive areas, day and night.